Namaskar, my name is Gaurish Borkar and welcome to Vizro. Today we are going to study about the fourth stanza of Nashta Jataka Dhyaya from Braj Jataka. I have also created a video series about first Adhyaya of Braj Jataka. Do watch that as well, it's very interesting series. I have also created a video about proof of birth time rectification methods given in the classical text, especially Brihajataka. So do watch that video as well. And in case you want the proof and the example of Nashtajataka, you may refer to my book Vedic Astrology Master Practitioner Manual. Even that would be helpful to have a at length study of Nashtajataka and birth time rectification. So today we are going to start the fourth stanza of Nashtajataka. Before that, I encourage you to like our videos if you like it, subscribe to our channel if you enjoy watching such videos, and share the videos with all your fellow astrologers, friends, and relatives. So let's start today's stanza. So the stanza is something like this. Atrapi hora patavo dvijendra suryansha tulyam tithimuddishanti ratridyu saudnyeshu viloma janma bhagaischa vela kramasho vikalpyaha. And what does that mean? It means the well-versed astrologers say that the degrees of the sun indicate the tithi at the time of birth. The degrees of the sun at the time of query indicate the tithi at the time of birth. If the ascendant is nocturnal, the birth would be at daytime and vice versa. And the parts of the ascendant indicate the time of birth. Now let's look at these in details in the coming slides. However, let's first understand the padas. So Atra means here, Api means and, Hora Patavo means the astrologers, Dvijendraha means the expert Brahmins, Suryaamsha degrees of the sun, Tulyam equivalent, Tithim Tithi, Uddishanti indicate, Ratridnu nocturnal, Saudnyeshu termed, Viloma reverse, Janma birth, Bhagaischa and parts, Vela means the time, Kramasho means sequentially, Vikalpya means imagine. So in this particular video, we are going to learn about the Tithi, whether the birth would be during the day or the night, and how to identify the exact time of the birth of the native. These three things we are going to identify and learn in this particular video. So first we start with the Tithi. Tithi is very simple. The degrees of the sun at the time of query indicate the Tithi of the native. What does that mean? If the degrees of the sun are 9 degrees, then the Tithi of the native would be bright halves 9th degree, 9th Tithi or Navami. And if the degrees of the sun are 16, then the Tithi of the native would be first Tithi of the dark half or the Pratipada of the dark half. So that is how we identify the Tithi. Then how about the time of birth, either day or night? If the ascendant at the time of query is nocturnal, then the birth would be during the daytime. And if the ascendant is diurnal, then the birth would be during the night, means after sunset. Night means after sunset, and during day means after sunrise till sunset. So this is how we identify day or night. Here in this particular slide I have given the nocturnal and diurnal signs. So Aries, Taurus, Gemini, Cancer, Sagittarius and Capricorn are nocturnal signs. Rest are diurnal signs. So that is the classification. Now let's look at how can we identify the time of birth. So based on the degrees of the ascendant, the time of birth can be identified. So the degrees of the ascendant indicate the ghatis after either sunrise or sunset, and minutes of the ascendant indicate the paras after the sunrise or sunset. So ghatis and paras would be identify the degrees and minutes of the ascendant. So this is how we can easily identify the ghatis and paras of the ascendant, uh, actually the time of the ascendant based on the degrees of the ascendant. Now since we know the month from the Vedic calendar and the tithi, we can easily identify the moon sign as well. Okay, so that is another way to look at the moon sign. So very simple, you know the month and the tithi. So moon sign, in fact even sometimes the nakshatra can be identified based on this. So if you look at the first 4 stanzas, you would learn that we have almost all the birth details to draw the chart. Based on the Jupiter, we know the year of birth, we know the season and the month of birth, we know the tithi, we just learnt about the tithi today, we know whether the birth is at day or at night, and we also know the ghatis and paras at the time of birth. So we are ready to draw the chart of the native who doesn't know any of his birth details. However, after stanzas after this would help us to identify and confirm the details that we have figured out till now, and we are going to learn that in the coming videos. But based on first 4 stanzas, you can certainly attempt to draw the chart of the person if you or he doesn't know anything about his birth details. Okay, in case you want to know or learn a detailed example, I have given that in my book Vedic Astrology Master Practitioner Manual, and it is available on Amazon. So we are pausing here today. See you with more interesting details about Nashta Jataka from Brihad Jataka, Nashta Jataka Adhyaya of Brihad Jataka in coming videos. Namaskar.